We're live now. We're live. Makulit yung aking kasama. Happy Saturday! Hello, hello! Good afternoon! Hinapon na naman kami. Sorry po. Happy Saturday, everyone! Oh my God, it's 1:40 p.m. na pala dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon! Good evening, good morning, kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. Your weekend is fun. Your life is good, healthy, happy, and having fun. Diba? Ganun lang dapat. But anyhow, happy Saturday, everyone. Si Tita po ito, broadcasting from Ontario, Canada. And, medyo malamig, but hindi talaga, hindi masyado. So, it's 17 degrees. So, yeah, medyo mainit lang talaga dahil puro active ang ginagawa. Nagbanding na naman kami. Nag-aquafit. Say hi naman, kuya.
Hello.
Oh, kamay lang daw sa inyo. Yeah, but anyhow, of course, as always, my Saturday morning, it's always aqua fitness. And then, mag-golf dapat kami kanina. But, ang dami-daming tao. Oh my God. We didn't have the patience to wait. So, wala lang. Nag-shopping na lang kami ng konti. Nag-shopping na lang na konti. And then, yan, pauwi na. Coffee break muna tayo. So I hope your day is awesome. But anyhow, touching base with you guys as always. Laging busy ang inyong kapatid. Laging busy na with the personal life at saka of course business na rin. Super busy palagi. But the best part is kami ang boss, di ba? Kami ang boss. But it was just so funny because today, kaya nilagay ko diyan is what's holding you back. We're talking about kung ano yung mga conversation ko naman sa aking negosyo, sa aking online business which is ginogrow ko po dito. Facebook kasi yung biggest platform ko. So kaya ako nagla-live just to share to you guys kung ano yung negosyo na ginagawa ko na giving me more time for my family, lahat na personal improvement, talagang mindset shift, and nag-i-enjoy talaga ako. So which is talagang grateful ako na naandito ako sa community na ito na ginagawa ko. Grateful ako na I said yes dito sa online business na ginagawa ko because so many improvement talaga sa life ko, hindi lang finances of course. So kaya ako nag-i-improve because so many things na na-improve sa buhay ko talaga. Yeah, so anyhow, like having Saturday weekend off, Mabel, thank you for watching. Having weekends off, holidays off, this was impossible po before. Pero nagawa ko na po ngayon. So which is amazing. Talagang almost every single night na magkasama kami for dinner. So which was not possible at all before. So yung mga little things talaga na nangyayari na positive shift sa buhay ko is because po na nag-decide ako na mag-start ng aking online business. So yun po talaga ang katotohanan. wala pong halong ano yan. Wala pong halong plastikan or anything. But yun po talaga. But anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan what's holding you back because a lot of people, as I mentioned earlier, marami akong nakakausap, nagtatanong, ang daming interested, ang daming tao na naghahanap ng ibang source of income, ang daming tao na naghahanap ng ibang way kung paano kikita. Yung bang pagod ka na sa ginagawa mo, hindi mo nabibigyan ng time ang sarili mo, hindi mo nabibigyan ng time ang pamilya mo, halos hindi mo na makakasama ang pamilya mo. Yun yung talagang benefits na nai-offer dito sa negosyo na ginagawa ko. Because again, as I mentioned earlier, yung mga maliit na bagay na katulad nung weekend off, katulad nung dinner time na halos magkasama kami palagi, and then also breakfast, yung bang naandyan yung time na talagang nag-uusap kayo as family, yung connection nyo is nabibuild up ng husto. Yun yung naibibigay sa akin ng online business na ginagawa ko. Because of course, nakapagbawas ako, nagawa kong iwanan yung full-time job ko, and then nagtatrabaho pa rin, pero talagang part-time na lang, and very very flexible din yung schedule ko doon sa regular job ko ngayon, so which I'm grateful talaga. Super ang daming positive shift na nangyari sa buhay ko. So which is amazing talagang. Super thankful ako. So anyhow, kaya ko nilagay po diyan, saglit lang po, zip lang muna tayo. Kaya po excuse me po. Kaya ko po nilagay diyan, katulad kanina, may nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya, do you have a website na matitingnan ko? So of course I give my link to my website, so binigay ko, and then ang message na naman niya sa akin, are you a real person? so of course ang ginawa ko, hindi ko siya minessage. So ang ginawa ko, nag-voice message ako. Sabi ko, yes, I am a real person, blah 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 blah. If you wanna talk to me, I don't mind, but I understand where you're coming from, because yes, marami pong hugos-buhos, maraming scams na nangyayari sa online world, especially sa Facebook din, ang dami din, di ba? So, I cannot, okay. Yan, message na naman. Sorry, may nagpa-pop up lang. But anyhow, so talagang inano ko siya. So, ang nangyari is si Juvencia, thank you for watching. So, ang nangyari, so nag-sign up siya doon sa website ko. And then, of course, pagka may nag-sign up kasi sa website namin is makaka-receive kami ng email confirmation na meron kaming lead. So, ganun. So, although yung email is galing po sa amin, pero hindi po kami ang nagsisend nun. Yung back office po namin ang nagsisend nun. So, ganun ang kagandahan po na aming business. So, once na na-set up mo na, very easy na lang, pindot-pindot ka na lang. But so anyhow, so yan yung conversation ko kanina. So she ended up signing up into my website, and then so nagko-communicate lang kami. So yan, marami siyang questions. So I don't mind at all, so long as na watch nyo na ang webinar, because for us, kasi may maraming tao din na sasabihin why you can't explain it here in Messenger. No, I'm not gonna waste my time. That's why we have the system na gumagawa nun para sa amin. I'm not gonna waste my time, and I'm not gonna waste your time either. So ikaw yung naghahanap ng information, ikaw yung naghahanap ng pagkakakitaan. So you do your best na para gagawin yung due diligence mo, para ikaw mismo yung makakita, ikaw mismo yung makakapanood ng webinar, ikaw mismo yung makatuklas. Hindi dapat ako ang magsasabi sa iyo, because for me it's bias yun. Because of course, lahat ng sasabihin ko is positive. Diba? So it's different kung ikaw mismo yung makakakita, because your judgment will be based on what you see. Your judgment will be based on your own understanding kung ano yun, diba? So Cedric, thank you for watching. Yeah, so that's why we always redirect you guys to watch our webinar, because that will be the best way for you. Thank you for watching. That will be the best way for you to find out the information yourself. Okay, Gabs, thank you for watching. So, so that's the reason why we don't explain how the business work. Apple, thank you for watching. We don't explain those things on Messenger. So we want you to find out the information yourself, because we have different perspective, we have different way of understanding, we have different way of of what you call that, what different way on how we perceive things. So it's better for you, it's more beneficial for you to watch the webinar yourself, right? So that's why we always redirect you to our free webinar. It's free, nothing to lose. If you're really serious in looking for something to do, something that can help you, Apple, thank you for watching. Something different, the different way on how you earn, then you will do your best para makita nyo kung ano talaga, or para malaman nyo kung ano talaga yung ginagawa namin. And legitimacy, of course, it's 100% legitimate. Nagbabayad po kami ng tax dito sa Canada, USA. We are global. So anywhere in the world, it depends on where you are, but yes, we do pay taxes. And of course, it's a business, so we can write off things na kailangan din namin sa business namin. So which is amazing talaga. So but anyhow, so just one way that people are hesitant on to move forward. Now, so many people as well na nakakita na ng webinar. So they have watched the webinar, but the webinar, I always say, the webinar will just give you the basic information that you need, but you won't get everything that you need to know unless you take into the next step. You move for one more step, okay? Because the webinar will just lay out something like, you know, what our business model is, okay? And it's not gonna give you everything. Like when I say everything, it's not gonna give you what company we are affiliated with, what are the products that we have, because we do have products, yes, and how we're gonna scale up the business, how we everything. Like when I say everything will be laid out to you. But here is the best part, okay? Here is the best part, because yes, you will have to pay $149 US to move into the next step. But the best part is that is refundable, fully refundable within the 30 days period. So if you think about it, you have nothing to lose. All you have, because in that next step, you will receive all those videos, and then you'll be connected into one of our coaches na mag-i-explain sa inyo on how you can start up, like all of those things. Start up, Librado, thank you for watching, and what are the options to start, and you know, everything. So, but anyhow, you have 30 days. 30 days is a very long time for you to process all the information that you will get once you go into the next step. 30 days is a very long time for you to process all the information. Now, if you want to move forward, then yes, there is an investment involved. It's 100% legitimate business, as I mentioned earlier. Yes, there is an investment involved. However, after you find out everything, if you will tell me, oh, this business, Tita, this business doesn't work for me, can I have my $149 US back? Absolutely yes, so long as it's within the 30 days period from the time that you have paid the $149. You will get a receipt for that, by the way, and it's all through email, so you have a hard copy. So nothing to be worried about. For me, I always say that is a peace of mind for you. Because if you have watched the webinar, you made you interested ka, but you don't have all the information. Of course, you will be interested, right? But you don't have all the information. Now, at that point, if you will say, no, maybe, what if this doesn't work for me? What if I cannot afford it? What if I don't have time? All those excuses will come to your mind, right? Because that's normal. However, kung talagang tayo ay interested, kung talagang gusto natin na mag-move forward, kung saan man tayo ngayon, we will do our best. $149 is nothing if it will give you peace of mind, right? Yes, so, yeah, but anyhow, if you will tell me, after you have find out everything, you get invited into our community, makikita nyo kung ano yung ginagawa namin on a day-to-day basis, makikita nyo kung ano yung affiliated company namin, kung ano yung products namin, kung paano tayo mag-start sa business, kung paano, lahat-lahat makikita nyo, and then you will tell me, no, I don't think this business is gonna work for me. Can I have my $149? Absolutely. Our system will say, okay, the refund will be like 24 hours, but actually it's what do you call it? It's quicker than that. It's quicker than that because some people, yes, there are some people. Ilang beses ko na yan na experience. Nagpapa-refund, and then they will come back anyway. Because our business, there's none like it. Talagang yung pagka sinasabi namin, so yes. That's it. You will we are using this system for 9 years na po this year. And every single year nabi-break namin yung record from the last year. So what does that one tell you? System is working. How many millionaires na po ang na-produce ng system na ito? So many. So many. And then yung affiliate company namin is 51 years na in the business. So talagang kampante ka na makipag-affiliate sa company na yan because na yan, tawag nun, talagang half a century na in the business. And growing every single, ilang countries na kami, 26. And we are 40, I believe, 43 offices around the globe po. So yeah, so anyhow, so those are things that are holding back people on why they're very hesitant to move forward. Marami pa. Pero at the end of the day, it's mostly talaga is yung skepticism. Yun talaga ang doon, and then yung takot na mag-fail. Na mag-field kayo. But anyhow, kung takot kayo na mag-field, then you're not you don't want to succeed either. Kasi kung talagang gusto natin na ma-improve ang buhay natin, na andoon yun, mag-fail talaga tayo at some point. Hindi lang isa. Maraming beses. But instead, pagka ang utak mo kasi is made up na talagang strong ka, na you want more from this life, then kahit na ilang beses ka pa mag-fail, you will come back up. Right? Ganon yun. But anyhow, it's at the end of the day, yun yung sinasabi na nasa mentality natin yan, kung ano yung mindset natin, yan yung magdadala sa atin kung saan man tayo gustong pumunta. But anyhow, if you guys are interested na sa na ako, baka makick out na naman tayo. If you guys would like to know information about the business, again, my website is in my business page. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, and then yung back office na po namin ang magpapadala ng information sa inyo. So, yeah, but anyhow, I hope na na-inspire ko kayo. I hope it makes sense kung ano yung sinasabi ko. I'm always open for questions so long as na-watch nyo na ang webinar. But anyhow, feel free to message me po kung meron kayong further questions, and kung ano yung gusto nyong malaman furthermore regarding the business na ginagawa ko. But again, thank you so much sa support nyo. Shout out again sa aking mga followers. Thank you. I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you again sa panonood. Ang dami nyo. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And stay happy and healthy. And God bless po. Thank you.